Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Rachel Bautista Cuenca, and now I'm demonstrating to you the diaper changing of elderly care. Now, first, we will do the 12 sequence. After doing the 12 sequence, we will remove the lamp. We will make a horizon. Okay, then remove the tape. Okay. Then in the clean surface, we will clean the. Okay, we'll check the color, the smell of the diaper, if there is any changes. Then roll down. Okay. Then wash, rinse. Then wipe partes labia majora. Then rest labia majora. Then fold partes labia minora. Fold rest labia minora. Fold. Then vagina. Fold. Then gluteal fold. Groins. Then groins. Fold. Then anus. Wash, rinse, soap. Partes labia majora. Fold. Rest labia majora. Fold. Then partes labia minora. Fold. Rest labia minora. Fold. Then vagina. Fold. Then groins. Fold. Then groins with a zigzag stroke. Wash, rinse. Labia minora. Fold. Pack in the rolled diaper inside. Then supine the. Then lateral. Take the patient lateral position. Then supine again. Make sure that the diaper the seal block is higher than the front. Then lock the diaper or seal the diaper. Then fix the bed and done. Wear new gloves. Then put ointment to avoid rashes to the patient, especially the rashes. Then rashes. Then lateral. Then put a new self-contained pad and bath towel. Okay. Then the bath towel. Then do lateral position. So fine, then lateral position again. Then change new diaper. Make sure that the lock seal is higher than the front. So roll the diaper. It's a fine, and
Lateral again.
Cut, be.
So the indication of this procedure is to avoid foul smell, to for patient comfort and relaxation, to avoid irritation, to avoid to check the condition of the skin, and to avoid the rashes of the skin. So these are the indication of a changed diaper patient elder care.